The Kingspan OPTIM-R Roofing System. Kingspan OPTIM-R comprises a rigid vacuum insulation panel with a microporous core which is evacuated, encased and sealed in a thin gas-tight envelope. Kingspan OPTIM-R is available in systems for differing thermal insulation applications, both new build and refurbishment. This video focuses on the OPTIM-R roofing system for use on terraces. Insulation may be required to comply with the relevant building standards. Traditional insulation materials can be installed on the terrace deck. However, this could create a step up. The insulation can be installed both on top of and on the underside of the terrace. However, in order to prevent a condensation risk, the insulation must be balanced correctly. This also could create a step up and unsightly height differences in the ceiling below. Kingspan OPTIM-R has a thermal performance of up to 5 times better than other commonly available insulation. The thin build-up allows for much lower thresholds when compared to traditional insulation materials. The Kingspan OPTIM-R roofing system comes with a supporting design service. Each layout illustrates the size, number and location of each OPTIM-R panel and any OPTIM-R Flex infill strips. When installing the OPTIM-R system, the deck should be clean, dry and without projections. The vapour control layer should be bonded to the deck. A protection layer should then be bonded over the vapour control layer. The Kingspan OPTIM-R Flex strips should be installed along 2 edges. The Kingspan OPTIM-R panels and Flex infill strips are then laid and bonded according to the designs provided by Kingspan Insulation. OPTIM-R panels are laid and bonded in a chessboard pattern with joints lightly butted. Smaller panels fill the gaps to ensure an accurate fit. Kingspan OPTIM-R Flex strips of the same thickness as the OPTIM-R panels fill any gaps where the OPTIM-R panels do not accurately fit. The OPTIM-R panels are overlaid with Kingspan rigid board insulation. A minimum 25mm thick insulation upstand is installed around the perimeter of the terrace. The waterproofing membrane is bonded over the whole insulated area. A cover flashing is installed around the perimeter of the terrace. A range of finishes, including paving slabs, can be used over the insulated terrace. The thin build-up allows even levels, creating a smooth transition between inside and outside, and removes the need for a step up. For more information and to download the full product literature, please visit www.kingspaninsulation.co.uk/optim-R.